Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Backup photos, contacts, and settings so you can test freely. Next, remove the case and any screen protector and clean the glass and edges. Debris or pressure points often mimic touch failure. Once done, perform a soft reset by holding power and volume down for about 10 seconds to restart the phone. This clears temporary glitches and gives you a clean baseline for the next, deeper checks. You need to separate software from hardware causes. Boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app breaks touch input. If touch works, uninstall recent apps. Make sure you install any pending system updates because firmware patches often fix driver bugs. Also wipe the cache partition to remove corrupted system cache. Finally, run the touch diagnostic in Samsung Members or via the service menu to map unresponsive zones and confirm whether the issue is firmware or the digitizer itself. When diagnostics reveal persistent dead zones or erratic multi-touch despite software fixes, the only reliable fix is replacing the screen and digitizer assembly. You must use an OEM or high-quality part, disconnect the battery first, apply controlled heat to soften adhesive, and use plastic picks and suction to separate the panel, follow step-by-step guides, or a repair manual. If replacement doesn't restore touch,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.